Starting an importation business in Kenya is one of the most practical and rewarding ways to build a steady income and long-term wealth. Many people today are turning to importation because it allows them to access products at low prices from other countries and sell them locally at a good profit. The idea is simple, but the journey requires patience, learning, and consistency. If you understand the process well and make smart decisions, you can build a business that grows from a small side hustle into a strong source of income. Imagine a young entrepreneur in Nairobi who starts with a small amount of capital. This person has saved about 50,000 Kenyan shillings from small jobs and decides to invest in a business that can grow. Instead of starting a common business like a small shop, the entrepreneur chooses importation. The reason is clear. Imported goods often have better pricing, variety, and appeal compared to locally sourced items. With the right product, it becomes easy to attract customers. The first step in this journey is understanding what products people actually need. In Kenya, demand is driven by everyday lifestyle needs. People are always buying items such as phone accessories, clothes, beauty products, kitchen tools, and baby items. These are products that move fast because they are used daily. A smart entrepreneur does not rush to import random goods. Instead, they take time to observe trends, ask friends, check online marketplaces, and identify what people are actively buying. After identifying a product, the next step is sourcing. Many Kenyan importers buy goods from countries like China, Turkey, and the United Arab Emirates. These places offer a wide range of products at affordable prices. For example, a phone cover that costs about 100 Kenyan shillings in China can be sold in Kenya for about 300 Kenyan shillings or more. This difference creates room for profit even after including shipping and taxes. At this stage, the entrepreneur learns how to communicate with suppliers. This is an important skill. Good communication helps you avoid mistakes, such as receiving the wrong products or low-quality goods. Many beginners make the mistake of choosing the cheapest supplier without checking reviews or asking for samples. A wise importer always verifies the supplier before placing an order. This reduces risk and builds confidence in the business. Shipping is another important part of the journey. There are two main methods, which are air shipping and sea shipping. Air shipping is faster and is suitable for small and urgent orders. Sea shipping is slower but much cheaper, especially for bulky goods. A beginner often starts with air shipping because it allows them to test the market quickly. As the business grows, they shift to sea shipping to increase profit margins. Let us consider the financial side of the business. Suppose the entrepreneur uses 50,000 Kenyan shillings to import goods. Out of this amount, about 30,000 Kenyan shillings goes to buying products, 10,000 Kenyan shillings goes to shipping, and the remaining 10,000 Kenyan shillings covers taxes and other costs. After receiving the goods, the entrepreneur sells them and makes about 90,000 Kenyan shillings in total sales. This leaves a profit of about 40,000 Kenyan shillings. This simple example shows how powerful importation can be when done correctly. However, success in importation is not only about buying and selling. Marketing plays a very big role. In Kenya today, social media platforms have become powerful tools for business. Many importers use WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to reach customers. A simple post showing your products can attract many buyers if done well. Clear photos, honest descriptions, and quick responses to customers can build trust and increase sales. Customer service is another key factor. When customers trust you, they come back again and again. They also refer their friends. This creates a steady flow of business without spending too much money on advertising. A successful importer treats customers with respect, delivers products on time, and handles complaints professionally. This is how small businesses grow into strong brands. As the business grows, the entrepreneur begins to expand. Instead of importing a few items, they increase the variety. They may start with phone accessories and later add smartwatches, earphones, and power banks. This helps them serve more customers and increase profits. Growth also comes with better planning. The entrepreneur starts tracking sales, understanding which products sell faster, and managing stock more efficiently. Despite the opportunities, importation also comes with challenges. Sometimes goods delay due to shipping issues. At other times, exchange rates change and affect costs. There are also risks of dealing with unreliable suppliers. However, these challenges can be managed with experience. Over time, the entrepreneur learns how to choose better suppliers, plan shipments early, and adjust prices when necessary. Another important aspect is understanding government regulations. In Kenya, imported goods must meet certain standards. This is to ensure safety and quality. A responsible importer makes sure their products comply with these requirements. This protects both the business and the customers. Ignoring regulations can lead to losses or penalties, which can slow down business growth. As months turn into years, the entrepreneur who started with 50,000 Kenyan shillings now runs a stable business. Monthly profits may grow to over 100,000 Kenyan shillings or more. With discipline and reinvestment, the business continues to expand. Some importers even open physical shops or create online stores to reach more customers. The beauty of importation is that it is flexible. You can run it as a side hustle or a full-time business. You can work from home or open a shop. You can start small and grow at your own pace. What matters most is consistency and willingness to learn. Every successful importer started as a beginner. The difference is that they took action and did not give up when challenges came. In simple terms, importation is about solving problems. You bring products that people need at prices they can afford. In return, you earn a profit. It is a business that rewards effort, creativity, and persistence. For anyone in Kenya looking for a practical way to make money, importation remains one of the best opportunities available today. The journey may not be easy at the beginning, but with time, it becomes smoother. Each step teaches you something new. Each sale builds confidence. Each challenge makes you stronger. If you stay focused and keep improving, the importation business can change your financial future and open doors to even bigger opportunities.